In this video, I'm going to show how to make anywhere from $100 to $300 by simply writing articles. You don't have to be a guru at writing. All you need to do is to follow the strategies in this video and you'll be able to achieve this. Now, let's jump right into this video. This website here is going to pay you to write articles for them. They're going to pay you anywhere from $100 to $300 just for writing articles for them. If you can write an article that has 450 words to 650 and even up to 1,000, then you are good to go. If your article is accepted, they are gonna pay you for writing articles for them. And one interesting thing about this website is that they have a broad range of topics you can write on. For example, you can write on topics related to health, exercise, nutrition, self-help, family, spiritual balance, challenges and triumphs, environmental stewardship, informational, interviews and profiles. So these are the various topics you can write on. Okay, so once you've written these articles and you want to submit, okay, you could just come here and click this link here for submissions, writing queries, suggestions. You just click that button. It's going to take you to the page where you can fill in the necessary details for you to be able to submit. Okay, so that's exactly how this thing works. You write articles for this website and then you're going to get paid. Okay, so one thing you're going to do is to research on the topics you are going to write for them. Since they accept a wide range of topics, you are going to have to research the topics you want to write on. Okay, and one website that can help you do this is Quora. Okay, so you would go to Google and search Quora.com. Okay, search Quora.com, sign up if you don't have an account, and follow interesting spaces. Okay, here are follow spaces to follow. These spaces are suggested for me. Okay, so because of my activities here, so you follow necessary spaces that will help you write articles perfectly. So what you would do here is you come here to look for stories. Okay, so there are a lot of stories you can see here. So once you see a story that catches your attention, that is practically related to one of those topics you could write on the previous website I was talking about, all you would do is to copy the story. Okay, so once you copy the story, what you would do is you come to this website here, Spinbot.com. You can also use Spinbot.com. You come here to spin the article. Okay, so on this website you can spin the article, paraphrase the article, and then copy the article back. Okay, so you can see here it says paraphrase. So all you would have to do is to paste your article and have your article properly paraphrased. Okay, so the article will be rewritten so you won't have issues with plagiarism. So to paraphrase your article, what you have to do is to come to this place and paste it here. Once you've pasted whatever you copied from Quora or probably elsewhere, and then you paste it here and then you click the paraphrase button, it's going to get it paraphrased, and then you copy it and then you're going to go to this website, which is docs.google.com. okay, so you're gonna paste it here. Okay, so here you're gonna have a better view of what you're doing. Okay, so once the story or whatever you have copied, you have paraphrased, is pasted here, then you would read it here and also make some corrections. And once you're done making your corrections, yeah, you can also add pictures. If you want to add pictures, you use this button here to add pictures. If you want to add links, you can add links. Okay, so it depends on the guidelines. Okay, so you go back to that website, which is Vibrant Life. Okay, so you're gonna search this link here, www.vibrantlife.com. okay, so you come to this website and then you come to this place where it says submit, and then you click the submit button, and then you'll be able to submit the article. Okay, so the website is vibrantlife.com. If you like this strategy, if you would want to get paid to write articles, why not try this website? Okay, you can earn up to $300 for simply writing for this website. Okay, and also if you want to get more website where you can also write articles and submit like this, there are a lot of them here. So this website here, there are a lot of them here. I'm gonna leave this article down the description of this video, so you can see here it says this website is gonna pay you between $125 to $375. And if you keep going, you're gonna see more. This website is gonna pay you from $500 to $1,380 per post. Okay, so this link is gonna be in the description of this video. Okay, so you could also go there to see more website that you can also write for. Okay, so you would want to use Quora to make your research, get stories. You could also use Google News to get stories, and these stories you spin them. Okay, if you don't have the time to write the stories yourself, okay, so you spin those stories using Spinbot, paste the story on Google Docs, make necessary corrections, and then submit to these websites, and then you get paid. You might say, how are they gonna pay me? Most of these websites are gonna contact you once your article is approved. Once your article is approved for publication, they're going to buy the rights to publish the article on their website, and then they're going to ask you to send your payment details. Mostly they might ask you to send your PayPal payment details or whatever means of payment they require. Of course, if you have questions, they also use their contact box to ask them questions. So this is it for today's video. This is Brigxel Bees, and it's your guy Ken signing out.